Hello friends, welcome to my Anitech channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you unboxing and review of Bluedio wireless neckband headphones. So I'll be showing you a review of this and also the features of it. So the box looks somewhat like this from the front and from the back over like this. So this earphones I bought from AliExpress for around 600 rupees or something, and this took around 20 days to come from the China post, which was registered post. So I was getting all the tracking details from the China to India. So the shipping was quite fast compared to other shipping methods. So let us open the box now. As you can see, there's a Bluedio originality radio sticker, so that you can be confirmed that this is the original Bluedio earphones. So they have written Bluedio powerful sound. So let's see how is the powerful of this. And from the side they have given something like this. It has 13 mm drivers, active noise cancellation. So we'll check out that later. So first let me open this. As you can see, they have put a sticker over here. Yeah, so let me open now. Okay, so you get a cover and you get an manual. So we'll keep aside and let us look out the earphones first. So you get a cover like this. So let us open this now. Okay, so you get the earphones, and surprisingly it's an USB type C port. As you can see, let me show you. Oh great, it's so great, they're given USB type C port and all. So let us keep this also aside. Let's look what else to get inside. Yeah, so these are the ear tips, extra ear tips, so that you can adjust to your ear. So you get user manual, the earphones, and this thing and this thing. So you get 4 things in the box. So let me keep the box aside. As you can see, you get these 4 things. You get the user manual, you get the earphones, you get the USB type C connector, and you'll get the extra ear tips. So let us look on to the physical overview of the earphones. Let me keep this all the accessories aside and show you. Yeah, so initially it looks wonderful, amazing earphones. It looks quite good, shiny, and these are the front view of the earphones, as you can see. And these are the magnetic earphones, so that you can stick it like this, as you can see. And have some, so here is the microphone, as you can see. Let me focus it and show you. So this is the microphone, this is the on and off power button, and this is this thing. This is the minus symbol, this is +1, so that if you want to increase the volume, you can increase by this button, and if you want to decrease the volume, you can decrease by this button. And if you long press this button, you can forward the music, and if you long press this button, you can go back the music. And this is the ANC button, so that you can change that one. And this is the right one. As you can see, they have written. So this earphones you have to put towards your right ear. Yeah, so initially I feel these earphones are really good. I love the build quality of it, and it looks very sturdy also. As you can see, this wire quality is really amazing. And as you can see, there's a Bluedio branding over here. Let me show you. Just let me focus it. I'm not able to show you the, yeah, now as you can see, let me try to focus it more. Yeah, now you can see the Bluedio branding. So, and this left symbol, so that you have to put this earphones on your left ear, sorry. Yeah, so it looks good. Now I have to just check, I have to on it and check. So let me see, is there any charge? Let me power it on from here. Let me power it on for first time. Yeah, Let me see any light comes. Yeah, the light is coming, as you can see, blue color. Let me show you the blue color. Just a moment. Yeah, as you can see, the blue color. Yeah. So now let me take out my mobile. So this is Samsung Galaxy S, the basic model one. So just let me on the Bluetooth over here, and let me check if this device is amplifying the Bluetooth signals. So let me on the Bluetooth over here. Yeah, so let me take on this. Let me scan. Just a moment, let me scan. Let me just, yeah. So I can see a T energy symbol. As you can see, this is the thing. And just let me bring the earphones to towards the camera here, towards my camera microphone, so just you can hear whatever happens in this earphones. Just a moment, I'll come back. Yeah, so I've kept the one part of the earphone towards the camera microphone so that you can hear whatever happens. So let me now pair now. So I'm clicking on the T energy. Yeah. Pairing completed. So as you heard that the device is connected, as you can see even here, T energy connected to phone and media audio. So this is the thing. And now let us see what could we do from this. Let me just try to play something. Just a moment, I'll just check a music and yeah, so let me play a ringtone from this device. Actually, I don't have any song on this device, so I'll be playing out an ringtone of this phone. So I have kept this, sorry, I've kept this part of the earphones towards the camera microphone so that you can hear the audio. So let me play an audio. So I'm just playing out from here, as you can see. Just a moment. Sorry for that. Actually, the audio is coming from both the sides, from the mobile also and from the earphones also, because this is an ringtone so only. Okay, so and let us see more features of this. So just let me bring out the manual of this. Yeah, so this is a manual, user manual. It says T energy. Let me open it now. So this Bluetooth version is of 4.2, and the Bluetooth operation range is up to 10 meters in the free space, and the driver units are 13 mm, and it has 32 ohms of nominal impedance, and the frequency response is to 20 gigahertz to 20 kilohertz, and the sound pressure level is 116 dB. And this I forgot to tell this battery life about this, and this can stay up to for 250 hours on standby time, and we can play of around 12 hours of music. That's really great of this earphone, so that you don't have to charge it every time, and the charging time is only 1.5 hours as per the manual said. Yeah, that's right. And this has around 250 mAh battery, I think so. I'm not sure. Around, yeah, it's 250, I think so. Yeah. So the battery life is also really good, and the sound quality seems to be really nice. I'll test out with noise cancellation, and I'll be giving out other review if you want. So just click on the comment section and write your thoughts about these earphones, and if you want an uh, other review of this I can be making, just tell your thoughts on the comments. So that's all for the video for now. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel.